요즘 커뮤니티를 비롯해 몇몇 기업들이 고객의 정보를 중국에 팔아넘겼다는 뉴스 많이 보셨을 겁니다. 물론 회원 가입을 하며 입력한 정보가 넘어가는 건 여러분께서 손쓸 방법이 없지만 오늘 소개해드릴 서프샤크를 이용하시면 여러분이 발자국처럼 남기게 되는 개인 정보를 모두 빠짐없이 숨길 수가 있습니다. 그리고 자신도 모르게 깔리는 악성 코드를 미리 차단하고 접속 위치 및 국가를 단 한 번의 클릭으로 손쉽게 바꿔 결제 시 환율 차이나 나라마다 다르게 서비스되는 다양한 OTT와 게임 타이틀까지 입맛대로 골라가며 혜택을 누릴 수 있습니다. 서프샤크는 이런 모든 혜택을 단 한 번의 클릭으로 사용할 수 있습니다. 지금 화면에 보이는 주소나 고정 댓글이 달린 링크를 한 번만 클릭하시면 안정과 기능 그리고 저렴한 가격에 이 모든 혜택을 누릴 수 있는 어퍼컷 구독자님들만을 위한 4개월 혜택까지 더해진 특별 혜택을 누릴 수 있습니다. 오늘 소개해드린 서프샤크의 특별 혜택은 어퍼컷 튜브 전용 링크 surfshark.com UPK 혹은 UPK 쿠폰 코드 입력 시에만 추가로 4개월 혜택을 받을 수 있으니 한 번의 클릭으로 이 모든 혜택을 꼭 받아보시기 바랍니다. 여기 최후 변론을 준비하고 있는 한 변호사가 있습니다.
Can I just talk simple to y'all? Plain ordinary talk.
윌리는 플로리다에서 요즘 가장 뜨고 있는 손해배상 전문 변호사입니다.
My client ain't no good. He ain't. My no good client, Clovis Tubbs, on the day of the accident, was drunk. That's right. Drunk. Matter of fact, you want to check the numbers? The numbers say 0.4% blood alcohol level. It's right here. Not only that, he was going through mental things. He said he was suffering from depression. Some would say that he was suicidal, and we have the proof of that because when he was talking to his therapist, he told his therapist, I'm feeling so bad, I wish I could get in my car and ride straight into a tree. But he couldn't do that. My no good client couldn't do that. You know why? His license is revoked. Ain't even got a license. So what'd he say? I'm gonna get me a bicycle, and I'm gonna do it that way. And that's exactly what he did. He get on his bicycle and rode over there to Alvin and Fine. Y'all know the liquor store over there, huh? And they got him a big old bottle of scotch and he downed it. And what'd he do? Get on that bicycle and he rode straight towards the highway, towards traffic. And then here comes Mr. 18-wheeler. Fitch and Company, not paying no attention to nothing. Coming down Elm, and what did he do? Bam! He hit Clovis. He hit him. He should be dead. He should be dead. Y'all know that song, I'm looking for a miracle? That's a miracle right here. That's why we asking for you to look in your hearts and your souls and award him that mere $75 million. You know why? They got it. They got it. But they know they big, trying to step on the small man. And then you say, well, why $75 million, Willie Gary? I'm going to tell you why. Because we have the evidence. The evidence will prove that there was negligence. Because no good Clovis had one thing going good for him at that time. Even though he was drunk, tank, tore up from the floor up, depressed and suicidal, my no good client Clovis Tubbs had him a green light.
그리고 이 재판을 지켜보고 있는 한 노인. 제리는 미시시피주에서 대를 이어 상주업을 하고 있습니다. 그런데 최근 골치 아픈 문제가 생겨 새로운 변호사를 구하고 있었죠.
So, what y'all got? What y'all got for Willie Garrett? PI?
I beg your pardon?
PI, personal injury. Y'all got some personal injuries?
윌리는 손해배상 전문 변호사이지만 주 분야는 개인 상해입니다.
I guess we sort of have a PI case, but with a bit of a twist.
Bit of a twist? Okay. What kind of twist? What kind of case is it?
It's a contract law case.
Contract law? Oh, come on, man. We don't do no contract law here.
Hell no, that sounds like a nap waiting to happen.
Right, but look, we understand it's not necessarily your field, but perhaps you could just hear him out. I think you'll find the case compelling.
제리는 1년 전쯤 재정적으로 어려움이 찾아왔고 하필이면 정부에서 큰 금액의 보험료를 청구합니다.
Mr. O'Keefe, as a registered burial insurance broker in the state of Mississippi, I'm sure you're aware you're required to maintain a certain minimum funds in your account at all times.
Well, yes, of course I'm aware.
제리는 친구이자 변호사인 마이클을 찾아갑니다.
Jerry,
I've been your lawyer, what? Coming up on 30 years. Was your friend even before that?
누구보다 제리의 고집을 잘 아는 마이크는 어렵게 말을 꺼냅니다.
So look, have you considered selling off part of the business?
이대로는 자식들에게 물려줄 것이 빚밖에 없을 겁니다. 하지만 몇 개의 장례식장만 팔아도 사정은 확연히 좋아지고 물려줄 유산도 조금 생길 겁니다.
Well, I'm not saying I want to, but if I did, where would I find a buyer?
Canada? Actually, they made an inquiry.
Lowen Group? Oh, yeah.
They've been on a pretty significant acquisition spree, going all across the country, buying up every independently owned funeral chain they can get their hands on. These guys, they're really big players.
Yeah, you know how I feel about these big corporations now.
Yes, I do. But all I'm saying is it's an option, and it's out there. Might be a way out, if you think about it.
방법이 없는 제리는 마이크와 함께 신입 변호사인 헬을 데리고 캐나다로 날아갑니다.
I work for Ray Lowen. He's really looking forward to meeting you. As I'm sure you can gather, Ray's a very hands-on kind of guy. One of the only CEOs in the industry who likes to meet with every seller personally.
보통 로원 같은 대기업은 이런 계약의 회장이 직접 나오지 않습니다. 하지만 레이 로원은 자신이 직접 계약 당사자와 마주 앉아 이야기를 나누며 계약에 대한 조율을 하고 있었죠.
It's when all the baby boomers across the U.S. finally reach their age of demise.
Resulting in a minimum 60% increase in death rates nationwide. Do you have any idea how many people are living in the U.S. right now over the age of 65? 51 million.
앞으로 미국에서는 상조회사가 돈 좀 만질 거라며 최대한 많은 장례식을 인수하려는 게 로원의 목표입니다. 그런 의미에선 지금 사정이 좋지 않은 제리에게 돈 많은 로원은 하늘이 찾아주신 기회였죠.
There's no way I could survive if you have a monopoly on that too. So what I propose is that I sell you 3 of my funeral homes, fair market value. But you're gonna have to promise here and now to no longer sell burial insurance in southern Mississippi.
Okay.
그렇게 구두로 합의가 마무리되며 모든 문제가 해결될 줄 알았습니다.
What the hell is taking so long? We closed on this deal,
Coming up on 4 months now. They keep trying to retrade the terms. When we left Vancouver, they said it would take 30 days max. It just doesn't make sense.
I don't know. It makes perfect sense to me.
Why?
Have you considered the possibility that Lowen has no intention of closing this deal at all?
With all due respect, you don't have the faintest idea what you're talking about.
I think I do. Think about it. The longer he stalls, the worse you're screwed. First, the insurance commission takes your license, effectively destroying your livelihood, until sooner or later, you have no choice but to file for bankruptcy. Now, not only does Lowen get the 3 homes, he can actually buy your entire business out from under you at yard sale prices.
You really think he's trying to bankrupt me? Hell, he can't do that. I got a signed contract.
It was only signed on our end, with no closing date attached. And by the way, I heard Mr. Lowen's actually still selling insurance in the region.
Oh, come on. Stop with the conspiracy theories. Son, I'm sorry, but you really are paranoid.
헬의 의견을 무시하는 마이크. 하지만 충분히 일리가 있습니다.
Do you really think Mr. Lowen has the intention of running me into the ground?
I do. Why the hell should he be in our clock anyway?
Well, that's it. I'm gonna sue him.
제리가 고소를 결심하고 며칠 뒤 늦은 밤 헬이 찾아옵니다.
The thrills continue with another opulent episode on the lifestyles of the rich and famous. You won't believe the amazing journey of famed personal injury lawyer Willie E. Gary, a man who refused to accept a life sentence of poverty because he believed in the American dream. And make something of himself he did, as now Willie regularly wins multi-million-dollar cases.
Suggesting I hire this guy as one of my lawyers?
Seems like a crazy idea. But this guy wins cases. I
He
mean,
not only owns his own private 737 jet called Wings of Justice, he also lives the high life in a 50-room mansion along the luxurious Florida coast.
헬은 윌리의 도움이 꼭 필요하다고 말합니다.
that's a 3-to-1 black-white ratio. That means there's a 70% chance we'll get a black judge. And if we do go to trial, likely a black jury as well.
So what?
With all due respect, you can't put a guy like Mike Allred in front of a black jury.
Why the hell not? He has been my attorney for 30 years. He knows contract law better than anybody.
You're really gonna make me spell this out. He literally reeks self-satisfied, good old boy Southern bigotry. I mean, a black jury sees a guy like that coming.
The idea of us pandering to a jury like that, Hal, this is not a discrimination suit. You and I both know that race has nothing to do with this.
재판은 공정하게 해야 한다며 거절하는 제리. 헬은 그런 제리를 데리고 윌리의 재판에 참석합니다. 그리고 윌리는 뛰어난 언변과 무패의 기록을 갖춘 그를 보자 단번에 마음이 바뀌었죠. 하지만
You're white. He's white. And I don't have white clients. I've never had any. So no offense or anything like that, but this is just unusual for me.
정중하게 거절하는 윌리. 하지만 돌아가는 길에
You know what, Mr. O'Keefe, just give me 1 second.
Where are you going?
다시 윌리를 찾아가 간절히 설득합니다.
So sorry to come back in here like this. I really am, but I just need a minute of
What's
your
wrong with you, man?
time.
You lost? Huh?
You lost your mind.
Oh, did he fire your ass out there by the elevator?
Okay, yeah, maybe so, but listen, I just need a minute of your time.
You need a minute?
1 minute, that's
Well, you know
all.
what? That's all you got. Because we busy then. Come on, Hal.
헬은 윌리가 돈을 매우 많이 버는 걸 잘 압니다. 그에겐 제리가 로원에게 요구하는 $800만 손해배상은 돈도 되지 않는 사건입니다. 하지만 여기엔 윌리가 돈으로는 살 수 없는 중요한 것을 얻을 수 있었죠.
Ray Lowen happens to sit at the top of one of the biggest industries in this country. I'm talking about the $20 billion a year death care industry. You guys try all these $80 million cases and you have your private jet and all that. I get it. That's fine.
Yeah, I
but
do. Wings of justice.
great. Look, you know as well as I do that as far as the more elite legal community in this country goes, you're nothing more than a glorified ambulance chaser. No offense.
Hell, now don't make me whoop your ass now.
Disrespectful, boy.
What if this case is the one that puts you on the map? What if this case takes you on a nationwide level? I'm talking William Kunstler, Clarence Darrow, Thurgood Marshall. Look, I'm talking Johnny motherfucking Cochran.
윌리는 그렇게 제리의 사건을 맡게 되고 미시시피로 날아와 그의 변호사들과 재판을 준비합니다.
Jeremiah Levitation, how you doing, Jess?
Good to see you, Willie.
Good to see you, Doc. Good to see you. Looking good. Hey, what you doing over here, huh? You getting young on me, man? Huh? What, you on some Dorian Gray shit?
Willie, let me introduce you to Mike Allred right here.
Mike. Now, I understand. We working together, huh?
So I understand. How you doing, Mr. Gary?
이때까지는 문제가 없어 보였습니다.
It ain't no secret. For the past 12 years, I have not lost a case. And why is that? Can you tell me why? Because I hate to lose. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. I'd rather somebody pull a gun on me and blow my head off than to lose a case.
하지만 회의를 시작하며 마이크와 윌리 사이에서 서열 다툼이 일어납니다.
Mr. Gary, when it comes to the matter of settling, I'm afraid that's not at all the strategy we've developed here. In fact, I've already drafted a letter to Mr. Lowen offering to settle at $8 million. Though just between us here in this room, we'd probably be willing to drop to 7 if need be.
Well, Mike, thank you for the update. Appreciate that, but unfortunately things have changed. We're not settling.
서로가 수석 변호사를 맡으려고 하자 제리는 마이크를 따로 불러 설득합니다.
I think we ought to give him a chance.
Did you hear that speech he just gave? He has no idea what he's doing.
He hadn't lost a case in 12 years.
For personal injury cases, he clearly has no idea about real law, about contract law.
하지만 제리는 배슈먼을 사로잡는 윌리의 슈맨십을 믿었고 간곡한 부탁에 마이크는 어쩔 수 없이 수석 자리를 양보합니다.
Good?
Yeah.
Mike, you good?
소장을 작성합니다.
Addressed to Mr. Ray Lowen, Chairman, Lowen Group. Dear Mr. Lowen, my name is Willie E. Gary. I've just been appointed lead counsel in the suit brought against you by Jeremiah O'Keefe. In regards to the prize settlement, the offer you received of $8 million, I hereby rescind that offer. The new offer is in the amount of $100 million.
That's what I'm talking about.
Did he just say $100 million as in 8 zeros?
Why don't y'all just relax? Hear what I'm saying?
It's literally $94 million more than our
Sounds to
original
me
claim.
like your original claim was about $94 million short.
Yeah, Mr. Gary, perhaps you could help us.
$100 million?
It's absurd and you know it. What you trying to do, destroy this case?
Mike, anybody ever tell you you got balls the size of a garden slug?
Willie, I'm afraid that I agree with everybody's concerns. That's a hell of a lot of money. We throw out a number like that, we're going to humiliate ourselves.
Listen, nigga, I understand how you feel, Jerry, but you got to trust me, okay? Okay?
Everybody's got to trust me. All right?
로원의 소식이 들어갑니다.
$100 million.
What? Oh, come on, you gotta be kidding. $100 million?
Is he crazy?
8 zeros. Did you count that?
8 zeros.
No way, that is not a joke. That is a joke.
It looks like a fucking dozen eggs.
로원은 황당합니다. 대체 어떤 변호사길래 이런 터무니없는 금액에 아무 말도 하지 않았는지.
From what we could dig up, he's this kind of flashy personal injury lawyer out of Florida. Ambulance
Personal
chaser type.
injury? This is a contract dispute. Why the hell would he hire a personal injury lawyer for a contract dispute?
Maybe they don't have any regular lawyers down in backwater Mississippi.
하지만 대기업 법무팀답게 정확하게 상대의 전략을 분석해냅니다.
Hinds County also happens to be one of the poorest and about 70% black.
Oh. So that's why he was hired. Because he's black.
로원은 상대의 허를 찌르며 이번 재판이 쉽지 않을 거라는 경고를 날립니다.
Sorry to interrupt. We just got the info you requested on who Lowen appointed as lead counsel.
Can I see that, please?
Well,
Thank
who
you.
is he? Do we know him?
She.
She? What you talking about, she? Yeah, what does that mean, she?
She as in like
A woman?
Her name is Mame Downs. She graduated with her BA from Howard University.
Oh, that means she just ain't a woman. She a black woman. She's a sister.
Man, what do you know? We done got out black and out woman all in one go.
네, 로원도 배심원에게 유리한 점수를 따기 위해 흑인 여성을 변호사로 고용합니다. 심지어
Graduated top of her class from Harvard Law School. Jesus Christ.
윌리는 명함도 내밀지 못할 정도로 화려한 경력을 가지고 있었죠.
3 years associate Paul Weiss, and now currently the youngest partner ever at Cranston, Brown and Atwell.
Okay, that's impressive.
A friend of mine used to work with her over at CBNA, and, well, he told me they had a nickname for her around the office.
What was it?
The Python. On account of her particular style during cross.
Yeah.
Yes, yeah.
You know how she used to strike when you least expect it.
Okay, Miss Python, but you know what?
Very descriptive. You'd be all
You know what? I'm the boa constrictor.
자신만만한 윌리. 하지만 이런 자만심은 언젠가 허를 찔리기 마련입니다.
Okay, so don't look now, but that's over there. That's Sloan's legal team.
Wait a minute.
Jesus Christ. It's like a who's who of every prominent black lawyer in the country.
윌리는 쫄지 않고 오히려 상대 변호사들에게 샴페인을 쏩니다.
Matter of fact, could you do me a favor? Could you send your finest bottle of champagne over there to that table?
Certainly. Do you have a preference?
What you got?
We have Dom, Moet, Cristal.
Cristal. That's what we need. Send some Cristal over there. And make sure that you say that it's compliments of Mr. Willie Garrett.
Hey, seriously, man, please don't do that.
Seriously, Hal. Shut up. Listen, I always say this. You see me fighting a bear? Pour honey on me. We're just gonna pour a little honey.
윌리의 팀은 다 같이 모여 재판 전날까지 전략 회의를 합니다. 하지만 윌리는 미리 승리의 축배를 들고 있었죠.
Strongest ginger ale in Mississippi.
그때 상대 측 변호사인 메임을 발견합니다.
I believe it's Miss Downs, isn't it? I'm Willie Garrett.
You look thinner on TV.
Mind if I sit down? Where it's sitting down with the opposing counsel and drinks and things like that, and, you know, music, candles. It's like we're almost on a date.
둘은 마음을 털어놓고 여러 가지 대화를 합니다.
OJ trial, huh? Supposed to be trial of the century.
It's a circus.
Where you leaning? Is he innocent? Is he guilty?
Doesn't matter. Because OJ's not the one that's on trial right now. White frontier justice. That's what's on trial.
I hear that. Gun to your head, though.
Gun
to your head.
I don't know now.
Gun to your head, Miss Downs.
Come on, trying to put a gun to my head. Did anyone hear this?
Gun to your head.
Oh, hell no.
Opportunity to be the lead counsel on the defense or an opportunity to be the lead prosecutor. Which one do you choose?
Defense. His ass is guilty.
윌리도 메임의 말에 동의합니다. 윌리는 자신이 검사였으면 오제이 심슨의 변호사를 박살냈을 거라고 말합니다.
Remember these words. If it doesn't fit, you must acquit.
Let me get there.
Oh, absolutely not. You were so kind and generous to send me a bottle of, what was that called?
Cristal.
Allow me to return the favor just this once. Although, I wouldn't get too used to me being kind to you, Mr. Gary. Once we begin that trial, I think I will destroy you. Have a good night.
다음날 예상대로 재판은 흑인 판사가 배정되고 배심원도 과반수 이상이 흑인으로 선발됩니다.
Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, how y'all doing?
Thank you for being here.
This case here is really about the oldest sin known to man.
Contracts, plain and simple. Now, Mr. Gary would have you believe that this case is about
greed.
And while that sounds entertaining and a bit dramatic,
양측 변호사가 주장하는 바는 멀리서 보면 같은 얘기입니다. 고의로 시간을 끌어 계약하지 않고 제리가 파산하길 기다렸다는 윌리의 주장과 크게 한탕하기 위해 구소를 했다는 메임의 주장.
So why did Mr. O'Keefe have such a panic, such an urgency, such a desperation for this deal to close? Why? Well, because everything in his life hinged on this deal. Everything. For the Lowen Group, not so much.
They had one goal in mind. Stall him out. Stall him out.
사실 구두로 계약하겠다고 말했어도 사인을 하지 않으면 얼마든지 물을 기회는 있습니다. 그렇다면 제리 쪽이 불리한 재판인데 그들은 로원이 제리의 어려움을 알고 고의로 시간을 끌었다는 주장입니다. 하지만 그것이 정말로 고의적인지를 증명하는 건 매우 어려운 일입니다.
And what I get from y'all? Nothing. I gotta make the decision. I'm gonna put Jerry on. I'm putting his I am. Let's do that. Put him on next week. You're hard of hearing? I'm putting him on. We gotta shake it up. And plus, he's a great witness. You said it yourself. He's a good witness. He's honest. He's a family man. He's a war hero. Civil rights. Everything he did for black folk, we put him in front of that jury. He gonna play.
It is much too soon to put Jerry on the stand. It's much too early in the trial. We don't have all the information yet.
It ain't never too soon with me, Mike. It's never too soon with me.
Willie, we know nothing about Mame yet. We've only seen her interview, technical witnesses. We know nothing about her real cross-examination style, nor know how actually dangerous she is.
Y'all don't know y'all ass from a hole in the ground. Now, I made a decision. You can either get on board or you can get the fuck out.
윌리는 제리를 증인석으로 부르고 그가 얼마나 청렴하고 올바른 사람인지를 배심원들에게 알려주려고 합니다.
I don't think war's anything to be celebrated, but I did serve my country and quite proudly.
Thank you for your service.
젊은 시절 2차 세계대전에 참전한 전쟁 영웅이자 마을로 돌아와 시장직을 맡은 후 무려
And I understand that one of those terms that a very friendly group of people came to visit you, the Ku Klux Klan.
Objection, Your Honor. What is the relevance to this line of questioning? We're in a case about contracts, Your Honor.
You may answer that question.
I denied them a permit to demonstrate in Biloxi.
You told the Ku Klux Klan in Biloxi, Mississippi, no. Now, flying warplanes is one thing, but to tell the Klan no at that time, that's a different type of bravery.
역시 윌리의 슈맨식과 말빨로 배심원들은 완전히 넘어온 것처럼 보입니다. 메임이 질문을 시작하기 전까지는 적어도 그렇게 보였습니다.
I just listened to the testimony you gave. I think it's fair to say that the real material substance centered on character. Would you agree?
Yes, I agree.
Let's talk about character. Well, the overall insinuation being made is that while you are a man of honor, of strong moral principles, according to you, my client is not.
I think Mr. Lowen and I have very different approaches as to how to deal with people in business.
In business. Yes, right, okay. Something I'm curious about. How did you end up needing to sell those funeral homes to Mr. Lowen?
Well, I had run into a little bit of financial trouble.
What kind of financial trouble?
보험료가 과다하게 나와 납부를 하기 위해 장례식장을 몇 개 팔려고 했던 제리. 그런데 낯빛이 점점 어두워집니다.
As a matter of fact, your license to sell insurance in the state of Mississippi is currently under suspension. Can we agree that that is a true statement, Mr. O'Keefe?
No, we cannot, because it's a lot more complicated than that.
Enlighten me. How's it more complicated? Was your license suspended, or was it not?
Objection, Your Honor, on the simple fact that she's just angry.
It's a yes
We
or
already
no
knew
question.
that he was
He
in
said
financial trouble.
overruled.
Overruled.
Well, the real truth here is that you lost your license because you got involved in some shady savings and loans business deal with a man that, if I'm not mistaken, is currently in jail right now.
Your Honor,
Can I
objection.
ask you something?
This is not on trial
Was
here
the
today.
money that
Overruled.
you used to finance this deal, was that money yours?
I was responsible for that money.
You used other people's money. Actually, you used your client's money to finance your involvement in said business deal with a now convicted felon. Am I
Objection, Your
correct?
Honor.
Am I correct, Mr. O'Keefe?
This has nothing to do with this case.
Overruled.
Am I correct,
That's
Mr.
not how I
O'Keefe?
would characterize this.
I mean, is
at
it
all.
possible that this entire case stems from jealousy?
Objection, Your Honor. We're talking about emotions. Jealousy.
I mean,
Overruled.
Mr. O'Keefe, you said yourself that you and Mr. Lowen have very different ways of doing business, and it might be the truest statement you said all day long because, like you, Mr. Lowen inherited a business from his father. However, unlike you, he was able to build that business into a multi-million-dollar empire. Meanwhile, what has become of your father's legacy?
제리는 돈이 필요하여 범죄자들에게까지 돈을 빌리다가 이렇게 사업을 말아먹게 되었다는 상대 측의 공격에 제리의 도덕성과 진심은 무참히 짓밟혀 버립니다.
What in the hell was that? What you talking about? I don't understand. You angry with me?
Am I angry with you? You're supposed to protect me up there. Supposed to make sure I was safe under cross-examination and all that.
That ain't my
shit.
fault. I didn't know she was gonna ask you all that.
It's your job to know what she's gonna ask me.
You didn't tell me all the shit. You told me about the savings and loans. You told me about the money, but you didn't tell me nothing about him going to jail.
When I made the deal with him, he was not a felon. I had every reason to believe that was a
I
good,
understand
solid
it, but I
deal.
can't read your mind. That's not my fault.
Of course it is. Since the first day I hired you, you have been trying to turn this case into your own personal one-ring circus.
I've done everything I can to try to save your ass.
I put every dime I have into this deal, and you still fucking around.
I understand. I'm not fucking around. Listen, that ain't fair.
You
That's
don't
not
have
fair,
anything
Jerry.
on the line here, Willie. When this case is over, win, lose, or draw, you're going to get in your airplane and fly away. I'm going to be here. I got plenty on the line. I got my damn life on the line, and I don't know how much of that's left.
제리의 말에 정신이 번쩍 드는 윌리. 변호사란 무슨 일이 있어도 의뢰자를 믿고 최선을 다해 변호해야 합니다. 그리고 재판장은 글자 그대로 총성 없는 전쟁터입니다. 그런데 윌리는 이 중요한 사실을 너무 안일하게 생각하고 있었죠.
What you doing?
Just doing a little bit of reading. You sound a little down, baby. Is everything okay?
자신이 실수했다고 느낀 윌리. 아내에게 전화해 안 좋은 기분을 털어놓습니다.
I screwed up. I screwed up. I put Jerry on the stand, and I didn't have it prepared enough. And when they did the cross-examination, they annihilated him. It was bad. It's got me upset. I'm upset. The reason that I'm upset is because I seeing Jerry so upset, it's got me upset. So I'm upset about it.
You sound like you really care about this man.
Jerry? Yeah, I care. Jerry's cool.
제리에게 미안해하는 윌리.
I messed up in there. Okay, I did the wrong thing and I blew it, and I just want to say I'm sorry and I apologize.
Very well. Apology accepted.
하지만 제리는 이번 실수의 결과로 수석 변호사를 마이크로 교체하고 윌리는 뒷자리에 앉아 조용히 재판을 지켜보게 됩니다.
Hey, have any of you guys read about this deal that the Lowen Group made with something called the National Baptist Convention?
The National Baptist Convention? What is that?
It's like, you know, like an arm of the Black Church, but a really big one. Probably the biggest, actually.
Sorry, did you just say that the Lowen Group has a deal with the Black Church?
The National Baptist Convention, but yeah.
Yeah, how? How does that make any sense?
I don't know. It's all right here. Apparently, they created some sort of partnership about a year ago. Hard to say why, though.
Okay, can you get me some more information about this?
Yes, sir.
다음날 매임은 제리의 계약에 대한 문제 때문에 마이클을 증인으로 요청합니다. 그리고 신문이 시작되는데
You've been Mr. O'Keefe's attorney quite some time now, yes?
I have for 30 years, nearly 30 years.
And would you say you and Mr. O'Keefe are good friends?
Jerry's one of my closest friends. Yeah, we share a lot in common. I admire him.
Mr. Allred, would you say this is a case about race?
Objection.
Overruled. Would I say this is a case about race? No, I would not say this is a case about race.
Really? Okay, well, the subject of race does seem to keep coming up, doesn't it? Almost exclusively from your side. For instance, this whole heroic narrative about Mr. O'Keefe supposedly having some sort of civil rights record and denying the KKK a permit. Explain to me what relevance that has to a case about contracts.
About Jerry's character. It's more about his integrity and his
Because
decency.
he does such great things for black people, huh?
Objection, Your Honor.
Stand up.
Objection.
I
will not allow this line of questioning, Ms. Downs, sustained. I'm objecting.
Another thing that's been made quite clear in this case is how important family legacy is to Mr. O'Keefe. Is that something you share? Family important to you as well?
Well, it's not just important to me, it's everything to me.
It's everything. Well, that's something you and Mr. O'Keefe have in common.
Objection,
Your Honor.
Because you're best friends, yes?
The witness can answer the question, but let's try and get to the point.
Absolutely, it's something that we share in common. Is this really what you want to be asking me, Miss Downs?
It is, actually. But thank you. You love your family. Yeah? Your extended family, your immediate family, you love all of your family, yeah?
Every member of my family.
Yeah? So there's no one that you secretly wish you could disown, someone that you're maybe
Objection,
a little
Your Honor. It
ashamed.
doesn't matter what
Disown.
he feels. She doesn't know what
'Cause I
this
know I
man
have some
feels.
family members I would love to disown, but you don't.
I'm gonna take care of it.
No, you don't.
No.
Say, for instance, your grandfather.
My grandfather.
Yes, your grandfather.
He was my grandfather. What does that have to do with this case?
Remind me, how long was your grandfather a member of the Ku Klux Klan?
Objection, objection, Your Honor.
We gotta
I'm
stop
going to
this right
continue
now.
to
This is
say
wrong.
objection, objection.
Did you bond with your grandfather about the KKK? Do you share some bond? You share some love about the Burning Cross? You go to any KKK rallies with your grandfather, Mr. Allred?
You know this is out of line. It has nothing to do with this case. Objection.
Overruled,
How
Mr.
can you
Garrett.
overrule that?
Answer
With
the
all due
question,
respect,
Mr.
Your Honor, this has
Allred.
nothing to do with the case.
Answer the question.
What's the question? Are you asking me, was I aware that my grandfather was once a member of the KKK?
Mike, you don't have to answer that question. Objection.
I heard you the first time, Mr. Garrett.
Yes, I was asking that question. I am no longer asking that question. No further question.
What his grandfather has done.
You know, lawyer to lawyer, that was completely out of line, Miss Downs.
Oh, the hypocrisy. The hypocrisy is quite outrageous, Your Honor.
Room full of brothers right now. Denounce your granddaddy.
Yeah, say it, Mike. Say it.
No, it's easy.
Come on, Mike. Denounce it.
You know what? I'm sorry. All right? I'm sorry. Her behavior was unconscionable. You cannot hold someone responsible for the mistakes of their ancestors.
마이크의 할아버지는 그에게 있어 누구보다 존경하는 사람이었죠. 그런 할아버지를 재판에서 욕하라는 건 그가 살아온 삶의 목적을 부정하라는 뜻입니다.
Mike, we're not finna crucify you for what happened in the past. He can't fix his grandfather or anything else. But you know what we can fix? This case.
재판이 더 중요하다는 걸 짚어주는 윌리. 하지만 다른 흑인들은 그렇지 않았습니다.
Hold on, man. So you finna give him a pass? That's what this is?
I'm gonna give him a pass because you didn't know enough about his past, and that's why you got your ass kicked.
Fuck this case, man. I think we can win. No, man, I'm going back to Florida.
돌아가는 윌리의 직원들.
You wanna go too?
You know what? I'm out. I'm tired of this shit.
I'm out too. I miss home anyway.
Willie, I'm getting too old for this shit, man. Mike, I'm sorry. I'm truly, truly sorry.
Me too.
Can't have this.
Have what? We got a case? To win.
마이크는 재판에서 이기기 위해서는 자신이 빠져야 한다고 말합니다. 제리 측의 자신이 앉아있는 한 배심원들은 자신의 할아버지를 떠올릴 거라는 마이크.
Alright. I have to win it without you. You gonna.
이제 남은 사람은 제리와 윌리 그리고 헬 뿐입니다.
Well, there you are. I've been looking for you.
폐색이 짙어지자 마음이 안 좋은 제리.
This trial is not going the way I wanted it to. I feel like I made a bad mistake. And I ought to be cutting my losses. I thought justice was blind.
재판은 정의의 무대일 줄 알았습니다. 그러나 눈앞에서 펼쳐진 것은 상대의 약점을 찢어 밝히고 물어뜯는 비비린내 나는 사투의 전장이었습니다.
And I could hold Ray Lowen to his word in a court of law, make him pay. But hell, I was the one turned out blind.
로원에게 정의가 무엇인지, 약속이 얼마나 중요한지 알려주고 싶었던 제리. 하지만 아무것도 모르는 건 바로 자신이었습니다.
Hey, sorry. Wait, what's in this one again?
It's that info you requested on Lowen's deal with the National Baptist Convention.
Actually, would you mind leaving that one here with me?
You really think it's over, boss?
I don't think there's any way we can win this case, and my guess is Jerry is starting to see it that way as well, so.
제리는 주말인데도 불구하고 직접 윌리의 집을 찾아가 소송을 취하하려고 합니다.
I hope you'll forgive me for just showing up like this, but I'm Jeremiah O'Keefe.
Oh, you mean Jerry?
Yes, ma'am.
The Jerry that my husband keeps going on about.
Is Willie home, by the way?
Oh, well, no, I'm afraid he's not. He's over at his mother's in Indiantown, where he usually goes on Saturdays. Hey, I'll tell you what. You give me a minute to grab my car keys. I'll drive you there myself.
Oh, no, please, no. I don't want to impose.
Jerry, absolutely not. You family now. Come on now.
그리고 그 길은 마치 과거로 돌아가는 것 같은 기분이 들었죠.
Willie and I've had our differences. I want you to know I think he's a remarkable man.
윌리 아버지는 수수밭에서 농사를 짓는 농부였습니다. 하지만 윌리는 인종과 집안 때문에 많은 차별을 겪었고 그것을 뛰어넘기 위해 누구보다 노력하여 변호사가 되었죠.
Will he ever tell you he's one of 11 siblings? Number 6 out of 11.
Well, believe it or not, I have 13 children of my own.
Oh, my God.
Do you now?
I do.
I say.
Ooh. I have 26 kids.
윌리나 제리나 남은 가족들에게 물려줘야 할 유산이 한두 푼이 아니기에 이렇게 사력을 다해 열심히 살아왔나 봅니다.
4:30 in the morning, she wake me up, man, get me out here when I'm taller than this grass, man. That's how it all got started, out in the sugar camp.
The reason I came all the way out here, Willie, is because I...
Listen. Before you even get it, I know. You're gonna drop the case.
I know it's got to be a disappointment. But if there was any way that I thought...
Listen, Jerry, you don't understand, Doc. Look, I know you got to do what you got to do. But at the same time, you just got to know that I know down deep in my heart that me and you together, we could have did it. We could have took that company down, man.
I just hope you know how much I've enjoyed getting to know you. This one didn't roll our way. But getting to know you was a highlight. What's that noise?
Listen. Hey. Hello? Hey. Hal? Hello? Can you hear me? I can barely hear you.
Hey, are you with Jerry right now?
Yeah.
Good, yes. Okay, do not let him drop the case.
Hal, can you hear me? It's a bad connection.
I said do not let him drop the case. Just trust me, okay? I may have found something.
Okay. Good. I'll call you.
Thank you all for taking the time to speak with us, Mr. Soames, everyone.
What can you tell us about the deal that the Lowen Group made with the National Baptist Convention?
Well, nothing good ever come out of it. At least not for black folks. That's the truth.
About a year back,
The Loan Group connected with some of the top leadership of the NBC.
National Baptist Convention.
Yes, one of the largest single branches of the black church. They represent over 33,000 churches and more than 8 million members. Anyway, they made a proposal to the NBC, told them that if they could convince the black church to endorse the Loan Group as their death care provider of choice, then they turn some of its members into salesmen. Like teach them how to sell everything from graves to crypts to headstones and burial insurance straight to their own people.
And for every product they sold, they could keep the commission.
Wait a minute, so the Loan Group was taking poor black people, having them sell their funeral products to other poor black people for a commission.
Of course, they said it was all win-win. Help people out of poverty, boost economic empowerment. But it never did much for anybody, except the Loan Group, of course.
Yeah.
They was just trying to find another way to exploit black folks in their most vulnerable moments.
이곳은 과거에서 시간이 멈춰버린 것 같습니다.
You know what this right here is?
Not sure.
What it is a cemetery. Now, you can't tell from looking at it on account of the fact that there's no headstones.
Why's that?
That's because it's a different kind of cemetery. It's an old slave burial ground. Everybody knows slaves didn't have no money of their own to ever bury their loved ones with a headstone. You can't really tell by looking at it. Our entire history of black people in the South, history of black people in America, of our slave ancestors, it's all buried everywhere out here. Deep underground. Pretty much everywhere you look, that's where our history is. In these vast, empty fields.
원그룹은 이 땅을 개발해 커다란 장례식장을 만들려고 했습니다. 하지만 남성은 가진 것이 없어도 이 땅을 팔지 않았죠.
It's like taking one history and putting it right on top of another. It's like taking one man's legacy, putting it on top of another. Till one day, it get pushed down so deep, buried so deep, can't no one ever find it no more.
땅을 팔았으면 그의 후대들이 평생을 놀고 먹을 재산을 유산으로 남겨줄 수 있었을 겁니다. 하지만 유산은 후대에 물려주는 것이 아닌 선대의 흔적을 지키는 것이야말로 유산이기에 남성은 땅을 팔지 않았죠.
Some of the members came to me and told me that the actual cost of burying my father was going to be much more than what they said when I bought the policy. When I told them that I didn't have the extra money and I didn't know how long it would take me to get it, they happily said they'd keep the body on ice.
법정에서는 오원그룹의 불공정한 계약과 이익을 위해 교묘하게 약간을 이용해온 행태가 차례로 드러납니다.
The coffin I bought for my mom was the least expensive one. Come to find out, the one they sold me was 3 times more than average. Your own preacher come to you telling you you need something. And you're religious, you believe it.
계약 담당자를 증인으로 부릅니다. 그리고 윌리는 화려한 언변이나 쇼맨십이 아닌 진심을 다해 질문을 합니다.
Also that you were one of the architects of this latest deal that you had between the Loan Group and the National Baptist Convention. Is that right?
Yes, I was.
Yeah. You Baptist?
No, not Baptist.
No. Christian, though, right?
Yes.
Yeah. We all Christian, right? We all believe in God. Amen. Amen. That's the question, though. How much money did the Loan Group project to make from this deal of them and the NBC? And remember, you're under oath.
Our original long-term projections for that deal were somewhere around maybe $1.2 billion.
$1.2 million?
$1.2 billion.
$1.2 billion? $1.2 billion. That's good money. That's good money for the Loan Group, correct?
Yes.
That's good money. That's good money. $1.2 billion. I thought you said million, but you said $1 billion. How much did you pay him?
I'm sorry?
I said, how much did you pay him? How much did the Lowen Group pay the National Baptist Convention as compensation as a result of the deal?
I believe we made about a $200,000 donation.
The jury heard it. We didn't have a defense for it. Oh, what a fucking mess. I'm gonna have to call Owen.
루언이 증인으로 출석합니다. 일부러 지금에서야 말씀드리지만 이 영화는 실화입니다.
Mr. Lowen, how you doing?
I'm very well, thank you, Mr.
Good
Gary.
in that suit, Doc. That's out on money. I can tell that a mile away.
윌리는 제리와 구두 계약을 진행하기까지 어떻게 진행되었는지를 루언의 입장에서 말해달라고 합니다. 그리고 루언은 거짓없이 모든 걸 사실대로 말하죠.
If I recall, they came for dinner at my boat, and we discussed things.
Well, that's pleasant. I mean, that really is. And lucky for you, Mr. Lowen, I don't have a lot of follow-up questions. I just have one thing I want to ask you. What kind of boat?
Come again?
Oh, I said, what kind of boat? You said earlier that you guys were all on the boat together and y'all was eating, having a good time, having the best fish, and I just wanted to know what kind of boat is it?
윌리는 깨달았습니다. 재판은 더 이상 수면십이 통하는 공연장이 아니라 생사를 걸고 방아쇠를 당기는 전장과 같다는 것.
Can I read from this? It says, 9 sunning decks, 6 elegant staterooms,
Objection,
5
Your Honor. What is the
luxury
relevance
guest
of
cabins. Your
the
Honor, can I
witness's
just read
boat?
what the boat is? It's a
Overruled,
nice
Ms.
boat.
Downs.
I just want to recognize and let everybody see that it's a very nice boat. You got helicopter pad. You can land a helicopter on that thing, huh? That's something else right there. That's high grass. How much did this boat of yours cost?
I really don't know.
I think you're not understanding the question. Let me frame it again so you can understand it better. I'm asking you, how much did you pay for your boat?
I don't know.
Objection.
Can I ask one? You know
Ask
what?
and answer.
Forget about that. Let me ask you this. How much you pay for your plane? Huh? Since you can remember some things and you forget other things, how much you pay for your plane?
How much did you pay for your plane, Mr. Gary? I saw it on the runway.
Oh, you know what? We could talk about how much I paid for my plane because I know exactly how much it was, but we're not talking about my plane right now. We're talking about your boat. So let me ask one more time so everybody can hear and understand what I'm saying to Mr. Lowen, the billionaire who doesn't know the price of his own boat that he had dinner on with his colleagues. I'm going to ask you again, how much did you pay for your boat?
I don't know.
I think he's not hearing what I'm saying. I'm going to ask you one more time, Mr. Lowen. How much did your boat cost?
What is your point?
What's my point? What is my point? While you were sitting there sunning on that $25 million boat, eating your $30 a head lobster, did it ever bother you that it was all being paid for by all the poor people and destitute people that your company was systematically taking advantage of and profiting from every single day?
Objection.
Not only that, they were
Testify.
taking advantage of them at their worst time, when they're downtrodden, when they lost somebody, when they're mourning somebody. And now, who has to pay for it? The small businessman like Jeremiah O'Keefe. The small businessman in this country who works so hard to pay for everything and stay on top and keep afloat while these greedy corporations do everything they can. And your ass, these greedy corporations.
I think I've had quite enough of this.
Sit your ass down. You sit your ass down until I finish what I'm saying, because I'm not done. I'm not done with my question by a long shot.
Language of that nature will not be tolerated in my court. Mr. Lloyd, you may not leave the witness stand unless you're excused by me. Do you understand? You may continue, Mr. Garrett, but I warn you to tread lightly.
I just want to know one thing. Did it ever bother you at all?
No.
That's all I need.
Motherfucker! Motherfucker! What was that? What was that? I was skewered out there!
패배가 확실한 루어는 합의를 제안합니다. 그리고 테이블에 앉는 윌리와 제리.
Generally, damages in tort are awarded simply to restore the plaintiff back to the position he or she was in before tort occurred. However, given how protracted this whole matter has become, we believe that it is in all our best interest just to resolve this once and for all. We'd like to make you what we consider a very generous offer. Obviously, should you decide not to take it, we can all go back into court tomorrow. You can roll the dice with the jury. But frankly, the chances that you will win or come anywhere close to this number is a risk I doubt you want to take.
Okay.
Here's our offer.
The answer's no.
Are you serious? He's serious.
Well, I said the answer is no.
You mean to tell me you are really going to turn that down? You sure you don't maybe want a little more time to think it over?
I thought it over enough.
Have you? I think we both know that's more money than you'll ever see in your lifetime.
We gonna get down to business, so y'all gonna keep wasting our time. Man said no.
Okay. You sure?
Yes.
Answer's still no.
Well, this is just fucking unbelievable. What the hell's your problem, O'Keefe? You can't honestly tell me that is not enough.
It's more than enough for me. It's just not enough for you.
For me?
Hasn't enough to put you out of business.
Come on. Let me tell you something, pal. The amount of money it would take to put me out of business, the real, actual amount, is a number you can't even calculate. Take the money. Jerry, you're 80 years old.
75.
Can you please talk to your client?
Talk to him about what?
About the fact he just
Oh, he
turned
just
down.
said no. Last I checked, the no means no, right?
What does it feel like to be some small-time nobody funeral director on the verge of bankruptcy who just passed on his one and only chance at $75 million?
What does it feel like? It feels good. Feels good. Feels good.
Yeah. Feels good. Yeah. That's it. He said no. We see y'all in the court tomorrow.
재판은 예상대로 제리가 승리합니다.
After careful consideration, we, the jury, in case number 9661 of the Hinds County District Court, Mr. Jeremiah J. O'Keefe versus the Lowen Group, LLC, have decided to side in favor of the plaintiff, Jeremiah O'Keefe. We have further decided to award a verdict of $100 million in compensatory damages to be paid to Mr. O'Keefe by defendant Lowen Group, LLC. And a verdict of $400 million in punitive damages to be paid to Mr. O'Keefe by defendant Lowen Group.
You deserve it. Come on.
제리는 돈 욕심의 재판을 끝까지 가지 않고 합의를 볼 수도 있었습니다. 하지만 유산이란 남기는 게 아닌 지키는 것임을 깨달았던 제리. 결국 루어는 욕심 때문에 생각지도 못한 판결을 받게 되고 재판 후 3년이 되지 않아 파산하게 됩니다. 그리고 루어는 가까스로 제리와 합의하게 되고 제리는 어려움을 겪는 취약계층을 도울 자선단체를 설립해 지금은 미시시피주 최대의 장례식장으로 성장하여 많은 사람들의 유산을 지켜주고 있습니다.
I'll be there if you ever need to call someone. If home's something that you make, hope you're part of it. When it got